Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my brand new sticker book. This sticker book has over 300 fabulous stickers that are all pre-cropped and ready to go for GoodNotes. When you download this file, you will receive a link to your sticker book. Now this is a GoodNotes file, so you can only use this in GoodNotes. Once you download this file, you'll have access to all your pre-cropped goodies. Now remember to please like this video, subscribe to my channel for so much more, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Let's get started. So first I want to show you how to download this file. So mine's looking a little differently because this is my shop, but when you go to your downloads, you're going to click on click for link. You're going to click on that little PDF and you're going to see the first link, which is the video tutorial, and the second link is going to go directly to your product. So you want to click on the second link. Then once you click on that, you're going to be directed to Dropbox, where you can just download this file directly. Now, if you get a pop-up saying to sign up, just ignore it. Click on that icon again and click direct download. Then you can download, click on download, and it will go to your files downloaded folder. Now, if you're downloading on your iPad, you have to use Safari, not the Etsy app. Also, you can do this on your computer. Now, once you're finished with that, you're gonna go to your files folder, look for your downloads folder, and you're going to open it and click on the share button and open in GoodNotes. So make sure you press open and you're going to import as a new document. Since I already have it, it says sticker book Mimimellieco 2, so I'm not going to import as a new document, but that's what you're going to do to import this file. And then you'll see all the gorgeous stickers. So this is what your sticker book is looking like. You have a spot to write your name in your sticker book, and I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm just gonna write Melissa using the text and write it in quickly. So you can of course customize any planner that you have, and I have a video on that. Remember to look at that video if you want to customize the entire cover itself, or if you just want to add any fonts that you want, I will link that video for you. So I'm just going to write my name and I'm going to make sure it's the correct size, and we're going to get to the flip through. So this line here is a way to access the inside of your planner. So basically you click on it and it will open right up, and you'll see the little message I have for you. And at the bottom here you have links. So this is a link to my Etsy shop, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and my YouTube channel. So you have all of that in your first page. You have access at the top to each page using tabs and also in the index. So later on, if you'd like to add your own pages or do your own thing, you can do that. So each one links to each page that is filled with stickers. Remember, this has over 300 stickers that are pre-cropped and ready to go. You have affirmations, you have little doodles, you have habit trackers, you have days, all kinds of things that you need in your daily life. I have included some of the same stickers but in different colors so that you have options to make your planner super cute, super beautiful, depending on how you feel for that day. So you can see I have plenty of cute stickers. Also, these stickers are ready to go for February, so you have access to that. You also have access to weather stickers, weather icons. You have stickers for your daily Bible journaling. You have stickers for mood. You have stickers for you know, talking to Jesus, which is something I really want to do this year. Definitely praying more. And you have background stickers that you can layer. You have energy stickers. You have things that mark out certain days, like work, schedule, canceled, postponed. There's just so many options to what you can do. So I really hope you enjoy this sticker book. I made it truthfully and fully with love, and hoping that this helps you to plan each and every single day. Also in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I decorate for MLK Day. This Jesus sticker right here was made by my friend Lauren. She just opened up her own Etsy shop. I will link her down below so that you can see her beautiful stickers. So I'm gonna show you all these gorgeous stickers that I have and how I use them. This is how I use them in my weekly planner, and of course I use a mixture of different stickers, but mostly these are my stickers. So I'm using quotes, I have a dream, things that I really resonate with MLK Day. So I've used that to inspire me for this week. I'm going to quickly show you how I plan my day using my own sticker book. So I'm gonna go to the 18th, which is today, and I'm going to plan out some of the things that I have ready to go for this day. So it is Monday morning, as you can clearly see on my iPad, and I'm planning on that day. I don't know if you guys do that too, but sometimes I plan on the day in the morning time. That way I know what I'm doing in the afternoon. But sometimes, you know, I do plan on Sundays, my whole entire week. So if I do have that time anyway. I'm going to use this pink Today sticker, which has a pink border around it so that you can really make the date pop. So I like pink, so I'm going to use the pink one, and I'm just going to extend it a little bit to fit across the entire page. Now I'm going to go back into my sticker book and pick out a whole bunch of stickers that I think is going to match this theme. I'm absolutely in love with pink, so I'm using mostly my pink stickers, and I'm just going to use the lasso tool, circle it, and click on copy, go back to my planner and click on paste. Super easy. Now I'm just going to use some photos that I had already of some Martin Luther King Jr. quotes. So I'm just going to crop it freehand and add them into my planner. Alright, so now I'm going to grab some of these abstract doodles that I created as stickers, and I'm just going to paste them in. So I just want to stack my stickers right now and go into Pinterest and stack some photos, maybe find a photo of Martin Luther King Jr. And I'm just going to stack the stickers together and see what looks nice until I got some creative art in my planner. Something, you know, inspiring. Yes, after hours of looking through Pinterest, I think I finally found what I was looking for. This looks like beautiful art. Big shout out to Barbara for this amazing piece. I just think all the art that I see on Martin Luther King is just amazing, but this one really stood out to me, so I think I can make something beautiful happen here. Pinterest truly inspires me, and it just uplifts my spirits. Like when I don't know what to do, I go on Pinterest and I see beautiful art and I'm like, yes, I got this. So I'm definitely going to be adding this Martin Luther King Jr. into my wallpapers, so be on the lookout for that. If you're not already following me on Pinterest, please do. As you can see, I took a little screenshot of one of the little corners on the right side and I pasted it so that I can have a completely blank area to make this art come alive. And I want to put all these quotes that remind me of Dr. Martin Luther King, and I want to really feel inspired. So as you can see, I blocked that off. Now I'm going into the schedule and I am using this wonderful technique to create a rectangle. So all you have to do is draw the rectangle and hold down until it becomes absolutely perfect and straight. Then once you tap on that rectangle, you are free to move any part of that rectangle to the right, to the left, up, down, to be exactly how you want it to be. And what's great about it is that you can copy and paste it over and over again. Now I'm going back into my sticker book and looking for some beautiful stickers to match the artwork, which is basically going to be where I pick my colors from and where I find inspiration for the rest of the schedule. So now that I've put most of my stickers in, it is time to fill it in with all the reminders and things that I need to write in my schedule, my bill that's due. So I'm going to do that. And if there's anything else missing, I'll add that at the end. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I am in love with these stickers. It makes things super, super easy. Not to mention, these stickers are so cute and creative. So it really helps to inspire you every single day when you're writing your gratitude, your tasks, your priorities of the day. These stickers really are helping to uplift you to create amazing plans. And if you haven't gotten the Create Kingdom Plans Planner, well, what are you waiting for? This planner is functional, practical, and easy to use. It is one of the most amazing planners that I have created, and I'm super proud of this work, and I hope that you guys are too. So I'm definitely going to link this down below for you guys, as well as the new release, these gorgeous stickers. So please check the description box below for all the links. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it with all of my heart. And for those of you who are new subscribers, welcome to the fam. I'm super happy to have you here. As always, please remember to like this video so that it shows up in other people's feed. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.